This video shows how to buy shares of Polytec Holding AG using the ticker P4N.de. Polytec is a German automotive supplier listed on Xetra. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. You need a broker to buy shares, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an ID and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker P4N.de to locate the stock. Make sure you select the Polytec Holding AG listing on Xetra. On the asset page, review basic company information and the price chart to confirm it's the correct stock. Verify the exchange shows Xetra and the ticker P4N.de. To invest, click the Buy button. Choose the amount you want to allocate, review the order details, and then confirm. If the market is closed, the order will execute when trading reopens, and the platform will ask you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. Your open position will appear in your portfolio after execution, so you can monitor it there. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to review the platform.